What if I told you you can trade in Forex market without technical analysis? No chart, no complicated indicator, just with the simple strategy that could help you to make money with the easiest way and also more accurate way. News. Yes, I'm going to show you a simple strategy which is work based on fundamental, and you don't need to be a professional trader. You just need to follow the rules that I will tell you in this video, and no matter you're a beginner or a professional, you can use it and you can trade without having knowledge in technical analysis. You know, there are so many traders out there that they believe technical analysis is useless. I'm not telling this, but this is their idea. For example, there is one big investor in the market called Warren Buffett. He also agreed that the history of the price is useless for anticipating the market. You know, sometimes I think to myself, why should big institutes give us a clue that where we should buy or where we should sell? So why they should create a big book about the buying and selling by drawing some lines? Sometimes I think by myself. Okay, forget it. Do not overthink it. In this video, let's go for fundamental analysis. So now you should know completely about GDP, CPI, FOMC. Kidding. You don't need to know anything about this fundamental news because we are not working in the fundamental. You just need to know one website which has the calendar. Here I'm using the Forex Factory website. Whatever website you can find which they provide economic calendar news, so you can use them. It is up to you. First, we just open this website and we need to filter the news. First of all, you have to know what currency you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade AUD CAD, so you have to look for AUD and CAD both. If you're looking for gold, so the currency pair that is most relevant to gold is US. So for example, I just want to trade gold. What we have to do? First of all, we have to make none, and this one choose only gold. And we should look for a high effective news. So the red is a high effective, and the orange is a medium effective, and the yellow is the lowest effective news in the market. We only look for high effective news, which is red. So after choosing the red one, we will not choose anything else and click on apply filter. After applying the filter, we have to choose from Monday till Friday. So how this strategy work? In Sunday, you have to open your PC, you have to open your laptop, and you have to know what currency you want to trade. For example, gold, you should go for USD. If you want to trade for pound, you should go for GBP. And after that, you will open the Forex Factory website and choose the high effective news. And after choosing that one, you should look for the currency. Here, as you can see, this is a USD news. It's upcoming news. Right now, it does not came till now. It's 4:30. Right now, the time is 4. So 30 minutes later, it will come. But we want to trade before releasing the news. We just want to anticipate the market movement before releasing the news. There will be some parameters in the news. One is previous, which is for last month or last year based on the news, and there is a forecast and there is actual. So we are working by previous and forecast. Once the actual come, it will change our market analysis because sometimes actual will be different than the forecast. Before starting the week, we have to look for market expectation. We have to know what big movers in the market think about the news. So this will be the way that they are thinking, and we want to follow them and earn money. So here, for example, if we imagine before releasing this one, it's Sunday, we just understand, okay, this is the USD, this one, they anticipate for last month is 241 and they anticipate to increase. I don't know what is this news, and I actually don't need to know also. This is unemployment claims. Actually, I don't know, and who cares? This is not an important thing. Just click here and check actual less than forecast. So it means if it comes less than previous months or forecast, so it means it's good for currency. So if unemployment rate decrease, so the currency will be more powerful. So it is normal. As I told you, no need to understand this fundamentally. Just consider that if this one less than, so it will be better for currency. Before releasing the news, they feel that this one increase. They just anticipate. So the big movers in the market think that this claim will increase. For this one, it's 47.3 and it's a little increase. We can just check. Last month it was 47.9 and they forecast 48.6, but actually decreased. For that one also it's a little similar, but again decreased. For last one also they feel that it's increased, but it's decreased. This is a scenario that we can consider as a bad case for this USD. Another one also, this one also decreased. If we check, it's actual greater than forecast is good. So these three effective news, we consider it bad for currency. So what will happen for the gold? If the USD will be powerful, so the gold will decrease. But right now in this scenario, USD will be weak. So we should consider increasing price in the gold. As I told you, imagine we start this analysis before starting the week. In Sunday, you will see the amount in forecast and preview, sorry. By this two number, you can anticipate the market movement. We should go for TradingView website. So here, if you find it here, it's 21 and 18. So here was the time the week started, okay? So what will be my strategy here? I just know that the market wants to increase. So what should I do? I have to open the buy position once the market open without technical analysis. I just open a buy position based on the strategy that I have. I will go for a long. That's it. What we should do for a stop loss and take profit? This is a good question. If it goes in loss, we should stay till the rest of our life. Definitely no. You should put a stop loss. But what exactly I did? I just opened the chart in 4 hours time frame, and after that I will choose my stop loss exactly less than 4 hour candle on the last day. So this is my strategy, and my TP will be 2 times more than stop loss. Here, this will be my TP and this will be my stop loss. So what exactly I do? I knew that 1% per week I just want to risk on my account. In Sunday, I just checked the market and analyzed the market based on the news that I gave you, the strategy, and after that I anticipate the market movement based on the big mover anticipation, and after that I just understand, okay, by this stop loss, which is the lowest 4 hour candle, and after choosing that stop loss I will choose my lot size to open based on the account balance and 1% risk that I told you, and after that my TP will be 2 times more. So weekly, I just open 2 trades per week. So by maximum 1 week, my trade will be closed. Most of the times I earn, but sometimes, for example, 1 trade hit the TP and 1 trade hit the stop loss. But if you consider 2% profit and 1% loss, you will gain 1% at least. You can check this strategy in any other currency like AUD CAD, AUD NZD. But if you want to go for AUD CAD, you have to consider AUD and CAD both, but here it was only dollar. We just checked the dollar and we opened the trade on gold. But the accuracy for AUD NZD and AUD CAD or other currencies which has 2 pairs with the 2 different news, the accuracy will be higher and you can use them easier. As you can see, this strategy was so simple and you can use it easily in your trading. Do not overcomplicate it and do not overthink on something which is not relevant. I saw so many traders that they are using so many indicators on the chart, so many lines, but this is not the right way. You have to find the simplest ways. Always the simplest ways work. Always simple way is the right way. So take care of your trading, and if you like this video, hit the like button and write a comment. If you have any question, I will definitely answer your question. And if you like this kind of video, every week I tried myself to share my experience, to share the strategy that you cannot find anywhere in my YouTube channel. Just subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.